want to show you how to play the beat behind I Need a Girl Part 2 by P. Diddy. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com and I have them there for you. First thing, I've got my rhythm set on about 100 beats per minute, and it's kind of a hip hop rhythm, and I'd rather have a rap sound, but it's close. So it's about 100 beats per minute. They do about 101. They're just slightly faster than this. But if I set that up, then I can. So the first thing that they do right there is C sharp, D sharp. Crushed it. Then D sharp, E. Then they crush that D sharp, E. Crush the C sharp, D sharp again. Then straight B and B, C sharp, D sharp. Crush that. Now the first time they do that, I do it 5 times before they go back and repeat it. So I'll do it 5 times and I'll show you the next step on it. And then, so when they come out of that, so they go right to an A B, A B A, A B A, G sharp A B B, D C sharp D, C sharp D sharp, and then we're back. Now once they do that once, they pretty much until the end, they extend it a little bit on the end like they do at the beginning, but right all the way through they just do it 3 times and then they go to this A. So they'll do it. And it repeats it again. So you've got that. Now your harmony, I don't do the vocals in there but you're working off of a C sharp minor, off of an F sharp minor, and off of a G sharp minor harmony. That would be a C sharp minor chord, black, white, black, an F sharp minor chord, black, white, black, and a G sharp minor chord, black, white, black. But if you put the bass with it, you can hear that harmony. You can see the harmonic structure all the way through what you've got. You can see the notes that you've got, and so that's I Need a Girl Part 2. Goes right on through the entire rap, and I hope you enjoy it.